Welcome back. Today we are doing, just for kicks, reps of 6. There are 6 heights that I want you to practice. The first one would be your knees, then your hips, then your waist, your shoulders, your eye height, and your head height. There are 6 different types of kicks that I want you to be practicing at each of those levels. The first set, we are doing step kick. So you're going step, kick, at knee height, at hip height, at waist height, and so on and so forth. You want to make sure that you're doing 6 of each of them. So step kick for 6, right, left, so on and so forth until you hit 6. Right and left is 1. Same thing for your hips, your waist, all the way on up. This next one builds off of that. So now you are going step, kick, side, close, back. So you'll have 6 going one direction. You'll step and change 6 going the opposite direction. And then you'll increase in height. 6 at hip height to each side, at your waist height, so on and so forth. This next one gets us jumping. So you're going passe, together, straight, together. That's 1, 2. You're going to do 6 on your right, 6 on your left, moving up each of those heights. This next one goes passe, kick, passe, down. You'll have 6 again on your right, then 6 on your left, and again, try to increase height. This is where things get tricky as you move up to the higher levels. This next set is your envelope set. So you're going straight out, pull it in, and down. Straight out, pull it in, and down. Again, right and left is 1. We want 6 at knee, 6 at hip, waist, so on and so forth. Last but not least, we have our développé pace set. So you're doing opposite of our envelope pace. You're going up, out, then down. Again, sets of 6 at each level. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow as I give you the final challenge of the week. I will see you then.